Frisbee, and we'll be showing you where our CCA will be held at.
But first, let's go to the notice board. Let's go!
Hi guys, this is our CCA notice board in the canteen.
Okay, so enough of the notice board. We will now be going to music terrace where we gather as a team before CCA starts.
Let's go! So this is the music terrace. We also train here when it's for wet weather. Hi! Right beside the music terrace is the field.
I'll let Wei Xuan, our captain, to take over.
Ultimate Frisbee is played similar to how you play captain ball, where the person with the disc is not allowed to move and you have to pass it to your teammates. If the disc touches the ground, possession will change. When someone catches the disc in the end zone, they will score a point.